Hi guys, we're going to be making paella with no seafood. I started off by marinating some boneless, skinless chicken thighs that I have cut into 1.5 inch pieces. And before I put them in the bowl, I put in 1/4 cup of olive oil and 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of lemon zest, 2 teaspoons of oregano, and 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika. I whisked that together and then I added my chicken to that. I tossed it and coated it, and I stuck it in the refrigerator covered with some saran wrap for at least an hour. In a large wide pan, I'm heating up 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium high heat. And if it starts getting too hot, you can turn it down to medium. I've added my chicken. I'm going to toss and stir around and get this nice and golden brown. I am not really worried about the chicken cooking all the way. It's going to cook maybe a little bit, but I'm not going to worry about it cooking all the way through because it'll be cooking all the way through later on in the dish. My chicken's finished browning and I've removed it to the side. So in the same pan, and there's no need to add any more oil to this pan because there's oil left in here, and what I'm adding has got a lot of oil, a lot of fat in it. I'm adding pork chorizo. It is a 9-ounce package and it's ground pork. We're gonna cook this up, chop it up until it's a nice dark brown color and the fat in this starts coming out. Now that that's cooked, I've added half of a chopped yellow onion, 1 chopped red bell pepper. I'm going to saute this for about 5 to 8 minutes till everything is soft and the onion is translucent. And now we're going to be adding 3 cloves of garlic that has been minced. And next is 3 chopped Roma tomatoes, along with 3 tablespoons of tomato paste. We'll stir that all together and cook it for a couple minutes. Now we're going to add 2 cups of dried rice. I believe normally this is bomba rice. I don't have that. I have another one. Mine is Calrose rice. We're adding it dry, and this is a medium grain rice. The other rice is a short grain rice. Either one will work. I'm going to stir this in, and you can use other short grain rices or medium grain. I think this one has a tendency to be just a little bit more sticky. And we're going to continue to stir this and cook it, kind of almost frying it up for a couple minutes. So now I'm adding in half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of one of the most expensive spices out there, saffron. So, yeah. Now, if you don't have saffron, I'm going to stir this in, and saffron is like buying gold. If you don't have it, or you don't want to spend the money on it, you could use something in its place. The taste is going to be different, but you could use maybe 1/4 teaspoon of smoked paprika and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric together and stir that in. And to be honest, the saffron that I've had forever in my cabinet. I had 2 like little things of it, and I really just am so cautious when I use it, and I try not to use it because it's so expensive. But this normally has it in there, so I decided to use the last of it today. I'm going to add my chicken back into this. I have 4 cups of chicken stock, or this chicken broth, that I'm adding into here. This has a sodium in it. I'm going to stir that in. I've turned my heat up. I'm going to bring it up to a boil and then reduce it down to a low simmer. Turn the heat down. And I'm going to cook it with the lid on. Okay, so I brought the heat down and I've got it down to a low simmer. I'm going to put the lid on this and simmer it for 15 to 20 minutes till the liquid is almost evaporated all the way, and I won't be stirring it. So I remove the lid, and I'm adding 8 ounces of frozen peas. It was a 16-ounce bag. I'm just using half of that. So I've kind of mixed them into the top layer. I didn't go down deep into the dish, and I'm going to let these cook with the lid off for about a minute. I have some lemon slices on the side to serve it up with, and there is my paella. And if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and thank you guys for watching.